Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Today is March 7, 2020, making today a Saturday. Today we're gonna go over with three different pairs. We're gonna analyze Euro USD, GBP USD, and AUD USD. This analysis is the the pre-week analysis, and we're gonna be dropping our full analysis tomorrow, the 8th. Remember, this is for the week of March 9th to the 13th. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking that bell notification below, so you will know when we post our next full analysis, which is gonna be released on Sunday the 8th. Okay, so make sure you subscribe. If not, you're not gonna be able to see it. Okay, another thing, guys, I want to make sure I put the disclaimer out. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market, simply by using the best system in the world, triple arrow system. All right, so if this is your first time looking into our triple arrow system, the link is below, guys. So if you sign up today, we are giving you $20 cash back. So make sure you use the link below. And remember, I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze what? I didn't hear you. Say it again. Hundreds and hundreds of pips. You got it. Perfect. Guys, please follow this direction. Download this app on your phone. Go to Forex Hours. Go to your Android, your App Store, and download FX Hours. It's gonna tell you the time of the New York session, then Sydney, Tokyo, London, even Frankfurt. Guys, this app here is amazing. And I always tell everyone, please always check the news. Whatever I'm going to be telling you today is subject to change based on the news that are going to be released on Monday the 9th. So please always check the news. This is another great app to have it on your phone, which is my FX Book app. So please use that, okay? So we're going to go ahead and start with our first pair of the night. We're going to start with Euro USD. And look at the time frame they are analyzing this pair. It clearly is telling you that I'm using 4 hours. Clearly. Look at this beast here. I call this a beast. I make hundreds of pips out of this market by just doing the right thing. So what I'm expecting to see for this coming week here, I'm expecting to see a drop down, retesting our mid 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. From that point on, the market is going to do a correction between our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. And then we're going to come back on Wednesday at 6 p.m. Eastern time, when we usually analyze our settings that we do on Saturdays and Sundays. So make sure you subscribe, guys. That is the only way that you're gonna be able to know what is coming. So, and also make sure you give us a thumbs up so we can improve the algorithm of YouTube. Okay, so it's something that it helps the channel, and obviously I'm here to help you. So you want to see more, that's the only way you can improve it. All right, so hopefully that makes sense. So we're gonna go ahead and analyze the next pair here. We're gonna analyze GBP USD. Let me erase all the setting. See that? All right. So look at here, guys. On GBP USD, look at the time frame. Once again, I love 4 hours. I really love 4 hours, guys. Look at that. 4 hours is telling you the market is trending on 4 hours. Now the question is here, who is in charge in this particular pair? What do you think it is? Is it bearish or bullish? Look at how simple the triple arrow is. Look at how simple it is. If you say the market is bearish, guys, it's not. It will be for the week of the 9th to the 13th. But right now, the market is bullish. Look at what the triple arrow is telling us the market is doing. It's clearly telling us the market is going where? It's going up. You got it. It's that simple. So now, Irvin, what do you think the market is gonna do this coming week on the 9th, from the 9th to the 13th? Well, that's a really good question. In my opinion, we're still gonna see one or two more candles. Then the market will drop down, retesting our 23 Fibonacci line. And I want to leave it in there. I can tell you what is the other prediction based on the triple arrow system, but I really want you to come in on Thursday. On Wednesday, my apology. On Wednesday at 6 p.m. and go over it with me. But look at, guys, this is so simple. Triple arrow is not a rocket science, guys. Let's go, or let's pay attention the other time the market was bearish. Look at here. Look at when the triple arrows appear. Triple arrows appears in here and the market drop. Let's go, let's quiz more. Let's look for more stuff. Let me delete this stuff. Let me make this smaller because this is too big. It's hard to read the data like that. Let me delete this. Look at here, guys. See, triple arrow coming in here. Triple arrow coming in here, and the market, look at how powerful triple arrow is. Market came in here as a bullish, market was bullish. When the market is dropping down, look at that. It's so simple. Triple arrow is for people that have never ever traded in their life, and all they gotta do is like it give you the answer what you need to do next. It's that simple. And so we're gonna analyze on Sunday 11 more pair. I usually analyze 14, and then we come back and redo the whole session on Wednesday, where you have the opportunity to ask questions. But I mean, it's that simple, guys. Hopefully everything makes sense, guys. And my private link is on the description of this video. If you want to send me a message, that's fine, you can do it, and we can wrestle this offline. But I think it's very powerful. I mean, triple arrow is easy, guys. It's super easy. Just know what you're doing, and that's it. All right. So let's go ahead and analyze AUD USD. Pay attention again. What time frame that I'm using? I love it. I really love using 4 hours. I love to use 4 hours and daily. Sometimes I go to a weekly, I go to a month, and it's just there. It's so simple to use it. But I mean, that's me. I don't know what time frame you are using. Or best suggestion I can give everyone is please don't analyze the market ever using any lower time frame. That will blow your account, guys. Don't do it that way. Always use your larger time frame and make your decision from there. Okay, so but this week was great, so we make hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of pips. So now, who's in charge here, guys? What do you think? Look at this. All right, triple arrow coming in there. Now, what is the market doing? Market is trending exactly what the triple arrow is doing. This market is telling us bullish. Yes, it is. Now, what am I expecting to see for this coming week? The week of March 9th to the 13th. I'm expecting to see a small drop down, retesting our 38 Fibonacci line. From that point on, the market will take off, retesting our 78 Fibonacci line. Do you agree with me on this one? Do you have any other different opinion? Because if you do, please make sure you guys drop the comment below, guys. That is the only way that I can really help everyone. It's not hard to do it, guys. Just drop me that question so I will know exactly how to help you. But you need to let me know. That is the only way. All right. So hopefully this setup makes sense to you guys. If you have any question, I'm here to help you. I really am. All right, so what is the rest of the pairs that I'm gonna be analyzing tomorrow, Sunday? All right, so I'm gonna be analyzing gold, euro, NOK. Someone asked me on last Sunday, or maybe I will change it. I don't know. I will check. I'm gonna be analyzing GBP, JPY, NCD, USD, CHF, Japanese, GBP, NCD, AUD, Canadian, GBP, Canadian, Euro, NCD, AUD, CHF, USD, CHF, and you know what? We're gonna add USD, JPY because a lot of people are doing USD. Actually, we're gonna change the this one to our USD, JPY. I really like USD, JPY. Let's kind of look at it. What's the market doing here? What are you guys doing on this particular pair, guys? Look at what I told you on Sunday. Last Sunday, I said the market was gonna drop down, bomb. And then it was gonna do a small correction. No, the market dropped more than what I told you. This is not the time to do the analysis, but anyway, so if I have to analyze this one, it's time to see a pullback, guys. But we still need more data. I would say market is gonna come back and retest R23 to R38 Fibonacci line. But this is for Sunday, so we're gonna come back on Sunday. Let me delete this triple arrow. We know the market is bearish in here because that's what the triple arrow is showing. But we're coming back. Make sure you subscribe, guys. It's free. All this stuff is free. It's only for educational purpose. Okay, I'm not here to give you any information thinking that this is a signal. It's absolutely not a signal. All right, guys, so I think that's it. That's all I have for today. So I want to thank everyone for coming in, and I will see you back. When do you want me to come back? Tomorrow, right? Take care, guys.